Baby so cute. You're so warm. How many yeah?
Hey, you're wedding in June or July?
July.
July 20th?
23rd.
23rd. Oh, Saturday, right?
Uh-huh.
For some reason, I thought it was the 22nd. 23rd. So when is New England coming out? Are they staying a few days before or after?
I'm not
Are
sure.
you
No?
done yet?
Yeah.
Are you done yet?
Almost. 이제 줬는데 빛이 참 잘.
Oh.
Everyone eating?
Mm-hmm. You want to eat?
I already ate chicken and soup and rice and white chicken.
Oh.
I ate that.
You ate a
You know what
lot.
white chicken is?
No.
Tofu.
I like white chicken.
She's not talking.
Turn this on. Okay.
Are you taking a picture? You gotta tell me so I can be ready. Right?
What is white chicken?
Tofu.
Tofu.
이거 야.
Mm.
Tofu is yummy.
Yummy thing.
It's not a tea.
Good. You want to say something to Auntie Nu?
Mama,
No?
you don't want to say auntie.
Yeah. Tattoos.
My bad.